Pradesh, the team members are Arus, Manish and Situ. They are going to present on Arunachal Pradesh, and I know they will present beautifully. That I know. Yes, go on.
Good morning, all of you. First of all, my respected teacher and all friends, very big opportunity for in this presentation, and this is my third presentation in my class and second for my group members presentation, and my presentation name is Arunachal Pradesh, and my team member name is Arus, Situ and me, and start for presentation. The Arunachal Pradesh is the called of the land of rising sun because India's first state the rising sun in area in all over India because it is the bounded for northeast.
Presentation must include that.
In the northeast area, and the contents in presentation in introduction of Arunachal Pradesh, and the kind of historical aspect for Arunachal Pradesh, and the geographical aspect, and the fourth is economical aspect, and the political aspect, and the sixth is culture, and the seventh is notable person, and the last four state symbol, and the start for in our presentation. The introduction of Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the biggest state in northeast India, and this is called the Seven Sisters, the biggest state in the area, in the geographical area, and second it is the share of the, and it is called the land of rising sun, that's called the Arunachal Pradesh, and it is the share bounded for the many neighboring states and the country, and the map is Arunachal Pradesh, and they concluding for bonding on Arunachal Pradesh, and this is there are three international boundaries in the Arunachal Pradesh, and the first is China, and the second is Myanmar, and third is Bhutan, and the two national states boundary, and this is area for Assam and the Nagaland. And the historical aspect for Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh means in the case of in the independence of India 1947, and that's the time for Indian-China relation is not for good, and this is for 1962 is for Sino-War, and because this condition for India is not win this war, and that's for very bad effect for in our country, and this condition for our finance in this time Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, and in the 1972 in the northeast area in Arunachal Pradesh is one of the 21st January 1972 Arunachal Pradesh is a union territory in the, and the second is this is the bounded for Assam, and in the case of 1987 Assam Arunachal Pradesh is the one of the special states in Arunachal Pradesh, and defined for in this condition in the government, and the 1987, and in this condition for Arunachal Pradesh capital for Itanagar, and now presenting for my team members in the Institute for Geography.
I am Situ, and I cover the geographical part of Arunachal Pradesh. So as we know that Arunachal Pradesh, also known as origin state of India, and its capital is Itanagar. It covers its area 83,143 kilometers square, and the population is 30 lakh. And Arunachal Pradesh is a hilly region with vast biodiversity. In summer, the temperature is up to 40 degrees Celsius, and in winter temperature reach up to 50 to 21 degrees Celsius, and during the monsoon season the temperature will reach up to 21 to 30 degrees Celsius. It is one of the largest state in the northeast India, and English is the official language in that region, and Bodic language is a commonly language which is spoken among the people. And Assam and Nagaland are the neighboring states of Arunachal Pradesh. Kibitu is a teeny town in Arunachal Pradesh, and it also known as a paradise of the botanist, orchid state of India and land of the. So come to the economical aspects of Arunachal Pradesh. So there is a question: what is economy? Economy means the state of a country in the terms of production and consumption of goods and services and supply of money. So in Arunachal Pradesh, agriculture is a main occupation of the people, and the other sector is art and craft, weaving and canning, etc. And the traditional method of agriculture is zoom, and in that due to its topography, the state has varied of horticulture of flowers and medicinal plants. Come to the cultural aspects of Arunachal Pradesh. Culture means ideas and customs and social behavior of people in a society. So most of people in Arunachal Pradesh have own religions. However, 39% of 30% Christians and 29% Hindu, and other 41%. The most beautiful thing about Arunachal Pradesh is that Arunachal Pradesh is gifted with traditional handcrafts skill. Men and women, both men and women are earn money by crafting handicrafts, handlooms, etc. And there are many festivals celebrated because there is agriculture is a main occupation. For that, all we are celebrated to thankful to God for good harvest. And there is a very different types of dance form like Rubado, Cham, Ego dance, and war dance. And there is a rice and meat are the staple food of Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you, and Arush Bhaiya covered the next topic.
The next topic is political aspect. The political aspect of Arunachal Pradesh in suffering from April 2016 to December 2016 because the Indian National Congress Chief Minister is replaced by another Chief Minister. It is a bad condition for Arunachal Pradesh, and after the political crisis, President's rule are banned, and there are new 14 MLAs are signed to Supreme Court, and the new Chief Minister are including in Arunachal Pradesh, and the present Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh is Pema Khandu. It is belongs to Bharatiya Janata Party, and Governor of Arunachal Pradesh is B.D. Mishra. Current Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court is Ajay Lamba. Deputy CM of Arunachal Pradesh is Chauwa Man, and the DGP is Sri R.P. Upadhyay. Number of districts in Arunachal Pradesh is 25, and the High Court is Guwahati High Court. This is a notable personality. This is the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh. His name is Pema Khandu. It is a mountaineer of Arunachal Pradesh, and his name is Tapi Mara. It is the Indian. He is the Indian poet of Arunachal Pradesh, and also Indian poet, and his name is Mamang Dai. And state symbol. State animals Arunachal Pradesh is Mithun. State bird is hornbill. State fish is golden mahseer, and state emblem is Arunachal Pradesh. And I have included my concluding remark. First of all, Arunachal Pradesh, I can't know about before presentation about Arunachal Pradesh, and after presentation I have a lot knowledge about Arunachal Pradesh, just like their culture, their food system, and many things are Arunachal Pradesh, how their people are suffering, and Arunachal Pradesh is the most beautiful place of tourism, and I hope me and my friend are also went to tour for Arunachal Pradesh, and it is a so good place, and also it is called land of rising sun because sun, our first rising sun in India is the state of Arunachal Pradesh, and I have some knowledge about Arunachal Pradesh because I have no knowledge before presentation about Arunachal Pradesh. But in present time, I have most of things about Arunachal Pradesh because I am learned about deeply in this state, and thank you.
Yes, Manish, come here. You tell me something about tributaries of Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra crosses the Arunachal Pradesh. So tell me something about the tributaries of Brahmaputra. You can, if you know, you can tell me.
Sir, Brahmaputra is very important of part of Arunachal Pradesh because it is help for agriculture, and it help for fishing, farming, and many things. And Brahmaputra river is passes by Arunachal Pradesh, and I know it is so good, and because many rivers pass many states, but many rivers are many different kinds, many different states, and that's all.
As you told us about the history of Arunachal Pradesh, its culture, traditions, languages, about their tribes. So tell me how Arunachal Pradesh is a unique example for unity in diversity. Yes. In Arunachal Pradesh, there are many festivals celebrated. So all people engaged in that and have unity to celebrate with all people. And there are 26 tribes. So Adi tribe are the largest number in Arunachal Pradesh, and the others are Apatani and etc. They have unity to survive in
Tell me, Manish. Manish, tell me something about McMahon line.
Yes. The McMahon line is India-China border in the Arunachal Pradesh, and because I defined for history of Arunachal Pradesh in the war of Sino-War 1962 is the more effective because this condition for Chinese is coming. McMahon line is the partial crossed in Indian border, and this condition for Indian army will not for follow this condition in our constitution and other for international council because this condition for this follow in the way in the line of Indian Chinese border just called pillar.
Okay, very good, excellent, excellent. Clap for that.